What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again, and I got a little something different for you today, but it is still KTM news. I actually saw this news break official with KTM today. But first of all, I got to give credit. Vital MX dropped a video last night with a lot of cool rumors detailed in it, and the first two were that Cairoli and Herlings are, we know Cairoli is coming over to ride at least the first two rounds of the series. There's still a good chance that Herlings will as well, but the one that really caught me off guard was Ryan Dungey. Like, what the heck? Like, he hasn't raced since 2017 Supercross. So yeah, the word is he's been testing bikes for KTM, and we know he's tried to come back a couple times, and maybe the budgets weren't there or the seats weren't there, but things are not looking great for KTM right now with Webb taking off the summer. Marvin is Supercross only contract. Plessinger is riding, but we don't know how he's looking. So it looks like Ryan Dungey is indeed going to come back for the first two rounds of the AMA Pro Motocross Series, which both take place in California, which is a huge bummer for me being on the East Coast, because I want to see Cairoli and Dungey and Herlings especially. I want to see these guys ride in person again, before they're all done. So this is super exciting. Apparently Dungey is comfortable and going fast on the new platform KTM that he's been helping test. We've seen so far that Webb hasn't seemed to gel super good with the bike, with Marvin getting the bike's first ever win in Supercross. So I just picked up mine yesterday. I haven't even got to ride it yet. So I'll be able to tell you guys how the bike feels to me from a very amateurish standpoint compared to the old generation. But actually got plans to do that this weekend. So yeah, guys, I just want to tell you guys that because KTM did drop that news. And if you want to go sign up for the new bike release on May 10th. So if you want to go sign up for that KTM launch event that's on May 10th, they are supposed to provide more information on why Dungey decided to come back. So yeah, we're going to have a lot of news dropping over the next few days. I've got some more bike news that I haven't released to you guys yet because I can't yet, but when I can, it'll be here. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Let today be the day I earn your subscription. Hit the bell and click all. I'm getting tons of guys sending me pictures and links to articles and stuff about things I've already made videos on, and so hit the bell so that won't happen, and you'll know what videos I've made so far. But regardless, guys, I am super excited about seeing Dungey back on the track. I'm super excited to see Cairoli on the track. Herlings, if you're watching this, which I'm sure you are, please come over and race. And all three of you guys, race the whole series, or at least give us some East Coast rounds, because us East Coast guys want to come watch you all race. All right, I appreciate every one of you guys. I'll see you in the next video.